For centuries, humanity has speculated about the existence of extraterrestrial beings. From ancient myths to modern UFO sightings, our fascination with the unknown has remained a constant. But what if the answer is more unsettling than mere curiosity? What if aliens are not only visiting Earth but actively studying us? The evidence suggests that extraterrestrials might be engaged in a chilling practice, human and animal sampling. What if we are not the observers but the observed? And what if the presence of aliens on Earth is far more intrusive than we dare to admit? From laser-cut animal mutilations to abduction cases that defy logic, there are unsettling signs that something beyond our understanding is at work. This essay delves into the terrifying possibility that aliens are not merely visiting, but experimenting, analyzing, harvesting, and possibly even testing us. Could we be subjects in an interstellar laboratory, examined as we examine animals in our own scientific experiments? Let's explore the evidence, theories, and implications of this cosmic enigma. UFO sightings have been reported worldwide for decades, with patterns suggesting a deliberate and repeated presence. These sightings often coincide with military installations, remote farmlands, and areas rich in biological diversity, indicating a targeted interest. Reports describe aircraft that defy known physics. They exhibit instant acceleration, hover effortlessly, and make right-angle turns. These mysterious crafts emit no detectable propulsion or sonic booms, even when breaking sound barriers. They appear to observe, scan, or in some cases abduct living organisms, including animals and humans. One of the most intriguing pieces of evidence comes from radar detections. These detections confirm that UFOs physically exist, rather than being mere hallucinations or weather phenomena. Fighter pilots, astronauts, and military personnel have reported encountering these unidentified crafts firsthand. But the real question is, what are these entities doing here? One of the most disturbing aspects of UFO-related phenomena is the large number of mysterious animal mutilations reported worldwide. These cases often involve cattle, horses, and other livestock found dead with surgically precise cuts. Organs removed with laser-like precision, leaving no sign of struggle. No blood at the scene, as if it had been completely drained. No predatory evidence, as scavengers refused to touch the corpses. In 2019, in a rural town in the United States, 5 bulls were found dead in an eerie state, completely drained of blood, with vital organs missing, yet no traces of struggle or external trauma. The cuts on their bodies were not done with conventional tools, but something far more advanced. Veterinarians who examined the bodies found no signs of natural causes of death. Experts suggested that the organs had been removed while the animals were still alive, an act requiring advanced medical expertise and equipment beyond human capabilities. Who or what could be responsible for these inhumanly precise operations? While skeptics argue that these mutilations are the work of cults or secret government experiments, the presence of mysterious aerial lights, UFO sightings, and electromagnetic disturbances in the areas where mutilations occur points to a non-human intelligence. If extraterrestrials are indeed conducting these biological extractions, the next question is, why? One of the most persistent claims regarding alien abductions is the notion that extraterrestrials are conducting genetic experiments, perhaps even attempting to create hybrid species by combining alien and human DNA. Some abductees report waking up with surgical scars they don't remember getting, missing time, periods where they cannot account for hours or even days, unusual pregnancies or medical anomalies after encountering UFOs. Are these beings trying to create a species that can survive on both Earth and their home planet? Or are they modifying humans for unknown purposes? It is possible that extraterrestrials are gathering biological data to understand Earth's biodiversity before making a large-scale intervention. They might also be assessing the impact of human activities on the planet's environment. And of course, they could be determining Earth's viability as a potential habitat for their own kind. If a highly advanced civilization were planning to migrate or colonize, wouldn't they first study the dominant life forms, us? What if the next step isn't just animal sampling, but human experimentation? Some theorists believe alien abductions are more than just psychological experiences. They are real physical events with evidence suggesting implants found in abductees' bodies, often emitting radio signals, unexplained surgeries with scars appearing overnight, reports of humanoid beings extracting blood, tissues, or even eggs and sperm. If they are collecting human biological samples, it raises the most disturbing question of all. For what purpose? Many of the phenomena associated with alien abductions and cattle mutilations suggest a level of scientific and technological sophistication beyond human reach. These include anti-gravity transport, craft that can move instantly and hover silently, tissue extraction without scarring, organs removed without disturbing surrounding tissues, time manipulation, abductees experiencing missing time or time loops, advanced medical procedures, non-invasive surgeries with no pain or infections. Could these technologies indicate an understanding of physics and biology far beyond our grasp? Governments around the world have consistently denied the existence of UFOs and extraterrestrial encounters. But why? Many believe that authorities have recovered alien technology and are reverse engineering it, entered secret agreements with extraterrestrial beings to trade technology for biological research, silenced abductees and whistleblowers to prevent mass hysteria. If aliens are indeed harvesting life on Earth, is it happening with government knowledge or even cooperation? The terrifying possibility that we are being sampled, studied, experimented upon, and even genetically modified paints a picture far removed from the friendly aliens of science fiction. Are we merely specimens in an interstellar laboratory? Are extraterrestrials trying to preserve our genetic material for a greater purpose? Or are we on the brink of an existential confrontation where they reveal their true intentions? One thing is clear, something is watching, something is studying, and it might not have our best interests at heart. The next time you hear about a UFO sighting or another case of animal mutilation, remember, it might not be random. It might be part of a long-term, systematic study of life on Earth. And the ultimate question remains, what happens when they no longer need samples but full control?